Hello guys, very welcome to my YouTube channel.
So today I'm going to do the unboxing of the courier I have gotten from the RedWolf. Here I have ordered two full sleeve shirts of Marvel merchandise and I'm going to unbox this wrapping. So let's do it. So with this package I have actually ordered two, but I have gotten them both of them in a one single package. See, and that was not something I expected. I thought they will give us a separate packaging, but it's two in one kind of packaging. So this is what I've gotten. Quality seems a bit off, but let's see. So now I'm going to unwrap this because so let's do this first of all with the Iron Man full sleeve shirt. Marvel RedWolf. So after expanding it, it looks like this. T-shirt, but I didn't feel like the which I was expecting, and its quality also not that I felt good like I purchased from the Soul Store. The I have bought from there one of the full sleeve shirts, and their quality was quite impressive. But this one is also good, but not that good, and also its logo is very big. This logo shouldn't be that much big. And after wearing it, I didn't feel like it is nowhere near to that actual t-shirt we have seen before in the Iron Man movie. So I didn't like this that much. Also, its size is not that proper, which was I ordered this as a small, and it worked fine for my other ordered full sleeve shirts, but not for this. I don't know why. I'm going to unwrap this one for Spiderman. Let's see its quality and everything. So this is how it looks. It looks good though, but again, quality it's fine. This one is not better, but it's kind of same. Only this part of the clothes looks little bit different in terms of quality. Let me wear this and let me try how it is or not, how it is good or not. I will be aware of after wearing them. So what I think about this shirt is that it's not as expected what I was expecting. In terms of quality also it is kind of poor, and this logo is very big actually. It's supposed to be small, but it's very big, and its color already feels like a faded up. It's not like a fresh color. It doesn't look like that. That's an issue. And its printing is not much quality printing. I didn't feel like a quality printing, which I felt about the Soul Store product. So I'm not here advertising any brand, but still I'm just comparing with them here. So I was expected a lot from this brand, and I didn't like this one properly. It's good, but it's not that good, which I was expecting in this price range at least. So this is what my opinion and my review about this full sleeve shirt of Spider-Man, which I bought from the RedWolf, and that's it.
Thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe this channel.